Understanding the emotional attachment, why people struggle to let go of possessions. In the next few minutes, we will explore the psychology behind why people find it difficult to let go of their possessions. We will discuss the emotional attachment people have to their belongings and provide insights on how to overcome these challenges. Understanding these factors can help individuals embrace minimalism and lead a more intentional and fulfilling life. Reason number 1. It was a gift. One common reason why people struggle to let go of their possessions is the emotional attachment associated with gifts. However, it is important to remember that when someone gives you a gift, they relinquish control over that item. You have the right to decide whether to keep it or not. If you receive a gift that you don't need, use, or love, don't be afraid to give yourself permission to let it go. Reason number 2. I need to find a good home for it. Another reason people hold on to things is the belief that they need to find the perfect charity or donation center for their unused items. While it is admirable to support a specific cause, spending excessive time researching the perfect place only prolongs the decluttering process. There are many good enough places that will happily take your unwanted items and put them to good use. As long as the place you're donating to has good intentions and a purpose for those things, that's all that matters. Reason number 3. If I get rid of it, I won't remember it. Sentimental items often hold a special place in our hearts, making it challenging to let go of them. However, it is unlikely that you need to save every single item to remember a family vacation or a unique life experience. Consider downsizing and saving items selectively. Remember, if everything is sentimental to you, then nothing truly holds sentiment. Reason number 4. Every time I get rid of something, I need it later. The fear of needing something after decluttering is a common concern. However, if you hadn't spent the time sorting through your clutter, you probably wouldn't have even remembered you owned that item. It's best to have a clutter-free space with an assigned home for everything you own. If you need to rebuy something, at least you know exactly where it is when you need it. Reason number 5. It was expensive. Many individuals struggle to let go of items they spent a lot of money on. However, it is important to realize that regardless of where the item is, the money spent on it is gone. Keeping an unused item doesn't magically bring that money back. Instead of using the cost as an excuse to hold on to something you don't need, consider the wasted money and ask yourself if future purchases will be worth it. Conclusion. The fear of missing out and emotional attachment to possessions are common reasons why people struggle to let go of things. By understanding these psychological factors, individuals can begin to overcome them and embrace the benefits of minimalism. Remember, it's a journey, and every step towards decluttering is a step towards a more fulfilling and intentional life. To stay updated with more content like this, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. All Things Simple.